By revamping our showroom, we're able to show you how we recommend coating various timbers and best method of application. Our showroom is a mixture of band-sawn western red cedar, hardwoods like oak, and we also have Cedar Tech ply with cedar battens. Normally, new timbers would have been factory oiled prior to delivery. Coating all sides and cut ends would have been coated on fixing of the timbers. Cover and mask areas before being coated. We find the range of 3M pre-folded masking film good for under drop sheets to protect areas from contamination. Where you have timbers with excess fibers, we use 3M dust brushes for removal prior to application. These are also great for refurbished timbers prior to the second coat, where the water wash may have raised fibers on older timbers. We recommend the PAL Speed Brush range for coating timbers, either dressed or band-sawn. They don't drip or flick product around unnecessarily and achieve better coverage rates. Dryden WoodOil can be sprayed through a commercial painter's type airless sprayer or inexpensive electric guns like the Wagoner W180P, available from most larger hardware stores. Mix Dryden WoodOil well prior to and during use. Pour into clean tray for application if using clear product, or if colour is to be applied, shake tint well and mix into wood oil clear base, then shake or stir well and pour. Dryden recommended coverage rates are what wood oil should be applied at, not what it will go on at. There is a difference. For example, cedar band-sawn finish, which is 8 to 10 square meters per litre recommended application. If you have half a litre in a paint tray, you should aim to coat an area 2.4 meters high by approximately 1.9 meter width to achieve that coverage rate. If you have dressed timbers, half a litre would cover an area 2.4 high by approximately 2.4 width to achieve 10 to 12 square meters per litre. Other timbers and hardwoods will vary accordingly. Please note that dressed timbers and hardwoods will have less oil and colourant than band-sawn timbers per square metre. Dryden WoodOil Clear Base will weather and silver naturally, but will also protect the timber from moisture ingress, reducing cupping, warping and splitting, extending the serviceable life of the timbers. If a colour is required, a colour tone is added to the clear base, which produces a uniform look and finish, while still providing protection to the durability of the wood. Clear is less maintenance, based upon water repellency and moisture containment. And with colour tone, just wash as necessary if the colour is looking light, faded or oxidized. With decking, just one coat is required, and maintain annually or as necessary going into winter when the deck is getting less use. Load brush. Scrape off excess in order to try and keep brush from being overloaded. Again, we recommend PAL speed brushes for application. Brushes are great for cutting in. Both can be used for grooves and rebates. Pull brush along timbers. If pushing, rock the brush to get the best penetration. But it's important to keep the leading edge raised. Overlap and pull through to achieve even distribution of the product. Here's a tip. To reduce the effect of overlap marks caused by inexperienced applicators, coat the whole length of the boards at once. Whether vertical or horizontal, this guarantees even coverage. When maintaining timbers with Dryden WoodOil, normally apply a second coat 30 to 90 days after fixing, then maintain as necessary. This will vary depending on exposure to UV, thickness of timbers and timber type, coverage of previous coats and other variables. Contact with aluminium joinery, glass, gloss-painted surfaces, etc. will just wipe off, but do clean up as you go. To clean up trays, brushes and pads, wipe clean with absorbent rags, then wash clean with warm, soapy water.